Watch out. Mind walking on the bus. You gonna do what? How make you rum? Must I get a blood clot drop in a push a while ago? The man they lean up on the car and the car 10 miles away from him there. I was missing that. How make you rum? Wait, and I can't in that car.
Yeah.
You see what rum do, boy? Rum please?
Rum please.
You must want to find out who make you rum for lick him. I shake you, go shake your hand.
And the clarin said do that, you know. The clarin that what? Go said.
Go on, boy, go on.
Go on the road, father.
The rum.
Yeah, the rum go Guinea.
Come here, my boy. Eh? Where you go? You get paid, that's why you go answer.
The rum, master, the rum.
Alright, come here. Yo, Junkie Bunny, come here. Come here, so, my cousin. Alright, tap now, tap. Tap move. Stand up. Don't move. Take up on your foot now. Lift up on your foot. Yeah, hold it. Hold it now, man. Come on. Hold it now, man. Hold it foot now. What? Hold it. Stand up, man. Stand up. Alright, stand up now. Tranquilo. Fold back your hand them now. Show them. Yeah. Take up on your foot now. Lift up on your foot now. Lift up on your foot now. And where you go? You're not even know when the... Where you go? And where there? Where there? Where?
Oh my God.
Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call. If you do have enough credit, please hang up and try making your call later. Try back. Please check to ensure that you have no credit for make that call ya. You deaf, go put on credit, man. You're lucky.